Gemini 3 has been released, creating a minor stir in the AI world. But today, we're not here to talk about Gemini 3 instead. We're diving into Gemini CLI, a tool that brings Gemini right to your terminal. Stick around till the end to learn what Gemini CLI is and how to install it. Simply put, Gemini CLI packs Gemini 2.5 Pro directly into your terminal. And here's the biggest surprise: 1,000 free requests per day and 60 requests per minute for free users. Is this basically a free lunch falling from the sky for developers? Let's be real, most other AI coding tools on the market either have strict limits or come with a hefty price tag. Google just smashed the entry barrier to an all-time low with this one. According to official claims, Gemini CLI's powerful features come from its built-in tools, allowing you to use Google search for grounded prompts to fetch web content and provide real-time external context to the model. Extend Gemini CLI's capabilities through built-in support for Model Context Protocol, MCP, or bundled extensions. Customize prompts and instructions to tailor Gemini to your specific needs and workflows. Automate tasks and integrate with existing workflows by calling Gemini CLI non-interactively in scripts. Plus, Gemini CLI can handle a variety of tasks, including creating short videos with Veo and Amigen. Most importantly, it boasts a 1 million token context window. That means developers can feed entire code bases into it, letting AI understand the full code structure. Gemini CLI is fully open source under the Apache 2.0 license. This means developers can inspect the source code, understand how it works, and contribute code to improve the project. You can even say you've worked on a Google project later. But let's be honest, this is Google we're talking about. They often launch new products with incredibly generous free tiers, which may be adjusted down the line. In other words, seize the opportunity to cash in while you can. Don't wait until everyone else has had their fill. And there's not even crumbs left for you. Enough talk, let's get to the most important part. How to install Gemini CLI and grab this capitalist freebie in time. Here, we recommend using ServBay. Gemini CLI requires Node.js 18 or higher, and ServBay helps you quickly set up the required environment in just 1 minute. Download and install ServBay from its official website. In the left menu, select Packages greater than Node.js. Click to install any version above 18 done. Next, verify the Node.js environment in your terminal to make sure it's ready. Once the environment is set up, we can install Gemini CLI. Run the CLI initialization command in your terminal. You'll get to choose your favorite theme color during setup. Authenticate by logging in with your personal Google account. Wait just a minute, and you'll have Gemini CLI installed. Entire process takes less than 5 minutes. Super easy. If you need to use specific models or require higher request limits, you can use an API key for extended access.